Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna. If you're new here, I do makeup reviews, makeup tutorials, skincare, anything beauty related, I got you covered. Today's video, I'm a little bit late to reviewing this, but I'm here. Well, the reason I'm late is because I was trying to buy this a few weeks ago when it launched and I just couldn't find it in my shade. I picked up the NYX Bear With Me Concealer Serum. This is supposed to be something you can use under your eyes, kind of like everywhere on the face. I believe it's like the follow-up to this. So you can use them together. You know, this doesn't really give you that much coverage. But anyway, we're not focusing on this. We're focusing on this. And the funny thing is, one of you actually left me a comment. When I felt this at the store, I was like, ooh, this reminds you of something I just reviewed. Reminds me of the Kosas. So I'm going to do a review on this and then we're going to compare this on the other eye just to kind of see if they're like each other. From what I can see, my shades are very different. They are not the same, but we'll see how it wears, okay? So if that's something you're interested in, definitely keep on watching. Definitely leave a like, hit that subscribe button. If you're not following me already, you should be following me. All right, my skin is prepped. I forgot how much I paid for this. I just bought it. Oh, you know what? I have the receipt. Hold on. Let's see. This is $11. So it's $11. You get less than half an ounce. So this one is also infused with the tremella mushroom, just like the Bear With Me serum. So we'll see. This one was, I think, $28. So it's definitely more than half the price. No. Yes, more than half the price of this one. Alright. This one I keep seeing all over Instagram. It's supposed to be lightweight, like kind of sits on the skin nicely. It's going to brighten. I forgot how many shades it came in, but it was a decent amount of shades. I want to say at least 10. At least that's what I saw at Ulta. I don't know if NYX carries it in more shades on their website. I would think that they do. So all right, let's swatch this guy. I love that it comes in a pump. I work off the back of my hand usually. It's definitely more sanitary than a wand. So I'm gonna get up, I'm gonna show you a swatch of this, and then I will swatch the Kosas. I will save you the trip of going to see a dupe video because, I mean, I'm only talking about a concealer, so I might as well throw this guy in there too. So I'm gonna show you some swatches. Alright, first up, Bear With Me Concealer Serum. I'm going to pump it. That is the serum concealer. It's very nice. It feels very hydrating, actually. So this is shade Golden. I forgot to say what shade I was. I'm going to take Kosas and I'm going to just swatch it next to it. My shade in Kosas is 4 Neutral. It's funny, swatched out, they look a little bit similar. Actually, I almost feel like the Kosas one turned more yellow than this one. So those are the two shades. Alright, what I'm going to do with this is I'm actually going to I'm definitely going to put some under my eyes, but I'm going to see how far I can stretch the concealer, if I can kind of use it to cover my face a little bit, and just kind of work it that way. Let's start off with the NYX. I'm going to use it on this side. Yeah, it's so funny. The Kosas one actually ended up getting darker than the NYX one. I'm going to take the NYX and I'm going to just go under my right eye. So I'm going to start it. A little bit goes a long way. Now you can use a brush, you can use a sponge, you can use your finger, whatever your little heart desires. I'm using my finger. And I know, like, actually I'm just curious, how many of you actually use tools and how many of you use your fingers? My suspicion is that those of you who use a finger like me, we are the rare bunch. Okay, this covers very nicely. And like I said, a little bit goes a long way. What I pumped out here, I think I could probably cover my whole face with it. I can definitely see that, like, my face looks brighter. I didn't expect that to go that far. And the coverage is actually really nice. I don't know if you guys have tried the, where is it? I just had it. The, just had it. What did I do? I don't know if you guys have tried this, but this has no coverage. Like, it leaves your skin like with a pretty like glow, but it's got no coverage. I just used the pump for like half of my face. I definitely feel like it's brightened up my under eye area. It looks really nice. It looks like second skin. That's insane. Alright, I'm going to use the Kosas on the other side. Now, I know with the Kosas you can use it anywhere on the face. It doesn't have to necessarily just be the under eye area. So, we're going to see that. And just to keep it fair, I'm going to use my fingers again. I'm going to take that. And I'm going to go under my eye. Both of these formulas feel so good. The Kosas, I'm definitely like, I could just take and almost apply it like cream on the face. Now, I did prep my skin like I always do. I did my Jones Road Miracle Cream. I'm dry, so it's more of an emollient moisturizer. Wow, I'm so amazed by the coverage I'm getting with both of these concealers, and I'm not saying that you have to go put concealer all over your face, but if you're in a pinch, these concealers go a long way. A little bit goes a long way. I'm just pressing. Okay, so now if I kind of pull back, holy moly, look at my face now. Go rewind this video and like look at what my face looked like in the beginning. My face is definitely like, I look like I have foundation on. It looks like second skin. Both sides are really pretty and radiant. This is Kosas and this is NYX. I would say the Kosas is like just a little more like kind of dewy, but both of these colors are almost identical, at least on my face. So again, golden NYX and 4 neutral Kosas, and it's definitely more golden. Okay, so let me pull my mirror away. Kosas is just a little more brightening under the eye than the NYX one, but now let me get in close so you guys can see. I'm kind of like really surprised right now. This is what it looks like up close. Again, Kosas. Kosas is looking a little bit heavy. I should have probably used a brush, but the next one definitely sits lighter. Let me get a brush real quick and just kind of, again, this is not necessarily meant to be used the way I use it, like almost like a foundation. I just kind of wanted to see how far I could take it. And it's very impressed. Gosh, that's amazing. Like, I definitely feel like both sides definitely look bright. It looks like I have foundation on when I don't have foundation on. A little bit goes a long way. I feel like I used almost the same amount on each side with both products. Alright, I think it's fair. I'm going to call it. I want to say that the NYX is a dupe for the Kosas Real Conceal. Very good dupe. Oh, and let me see. So with this, you get 6 milliliters in the Kosas, and in the NYX you get 9.6. So you're getting more product in the NYX. And they probably have the same amount of like shade range, but this is really nice. I'm impressed with this. Actually, very impressed with this. Definitely worth it. Go check it out. Go try it. It's easy to use. It's very lightweight. I'm not really seeing it like settle into the lines much either. Like this is like the same exact freaking texture. So for those of you who suggested it, yeah, you were right. These are very similar. So yeah, basically to sum up my thoughts, if you wanted to try this but you're not crazy about the price point, and I know I heard the same thing too, that this one starts to get like a funny smell. I've only had mine for like a week. I will definitely keep you guys posted if I do see that. But that's because it doesn't have the preservatives. It's a natural beauty brand. So, okay. And this one, obviously, it's not a clean beauty brand, but it is cruelty free. But yeah, wow. Great match. And again, if you are my skin tone, try Golden and in Kosas for neutral. I hope this was helpful. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any requests or anything, leave them down below. And yeah, I'll see you in my next one.